Hello, today I'm going to do a review of the Wolkinz COSMO robot vacuum cleaner. I was given this to test, and my wife has long wanted a robot vacuum cleaner, and we've got a little baby who's about to start crawling and a dog who sheds lots of hair, and so obviously we don't want our baby to get the hair, so we're hoping something like this would clean up our apartment easily and quickly. So let's see what's in the box. We have the vacuum itself and a box of other boxes. This is everything that it comes with. So we'll start with the main vacuum. It's got laser sensors, so it basically takes a picture of your room, makes a digital map, and then goes systematically across the room. That's what I've seen online, as opposed to just randomly rolling around the room. So it's quite a smart machine. It's just got two controllers, on off back here, and a clean button here. It's got some good springs or shocks on the wheels back here. It's supposed to be able to go up onto carpets up to 2 centimeters. We've got a rug here that's about 1 centimeter that we specifically haven't vacuumed in a week just to test this thing out. These are the brushes that attach up here on the like that, and then this is very easy to take out, the vacuum bag, or in this case a vacuum box with filter here. Comes easy off, easy on. It's got some bumpers on the front, and the recharging unit with like magnetic connectors. Since this makes a map of your apartment, it finds its way back easily to this recharger. Power cable for that. And it's also comes with a mop attachment that you can wet and then actually mop your floors. 2 spare brushes, a spare mop cloth and filter, a brush to clean, and then a magnetic strip here that you can use on the floor to like make a barrier. If your kid's playing Legos in part of the room and you don't want the vacuum to go suck up his Legos, you can put this on the floor and it'll stop the vacuum from going across it. And then instruction manual. Now let's see how it works. Here it's got the barcode that you can scan on your phone and then download the app. Alright, so then we open the app. There it is, COSMO. And it start.
Global cleaning start.
So you can see it's already made a map of the room. It's covered 6.6 square meters in about 4 minutes. The blue dot is the vacuum going around, and the shaded area there in the map is what it's already covered. It goes on and off the carpet very easily. Well,
Finished. Get into recharge mode.
so it's coming back to find the charger. Now we'll see what it actually vacuumed up. So that's dog hair and other dirt, and well, there's still some hair on the brushes there a little bit. Now I'm going to try to do a little wet mop with this attachment. Open this rubber cap. spool. Close the cap. Then we put this on. Turn it over. I'll just do it manually. Here it is mopping. I use the magnetic line to see if it works. To keep it from going on that rug over there. We tested this Wolkinz COSMO. It did a great job here in the living room with the carpet and then mopping the entryway. And it was cool to watch how you could see its progress on the cell phone. And as it made a map of the room and then went across and vacuumed up everything. So if you're interested in getting a robot vacuum cleaner, I'd recommend this Wolkinz COSMO. It does a great job. So thank you.